Welcome to NESCAFE Amigo training video. Today, we'll guide you through all the key steps for operating and maintaining your NESCAFE Amigo machine. How to start the machine, product loading in the canister, beans filling in the container, checking water level, dispensing beverage, daily cleaning of machine, basic troubleshooting, do's and don'ts. Daily operations. Wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water before handling the machine and the products. Loading Nestle whole roasted beans. First, open the front door and locate the bin hopper on left side of your machine. Make sure the hopper slider is closed and take it out to avoiding spillage. Gently pour in the NESCAFE beans. Once the container is filled, secure the lid firmly. Place it back into position and gently pull the slider towards you. Refilling canisters. Pull the product guide towards yourself and put the cap on the canister you want to refill. Take out the powder canister and fill the product as per the labeling. Fill only up to the mark line. Never overfill. Then, gently shake the canister to level the powder. Place the canister back to its designated place. Close the door. Loading liquid milk in the refrigerator. Open the front door of the refrigerator. Lift the silicone tube up carefully. Take out the milk container and open its lid. Open the liquid milk pack as shown on the pack instructions. Pour the milk into the container, then securely close the lid. Place the milk container back into the refrigerator. Pull back the silicone tube and immerse it into the milk. Always store the milk in a cool, dry and hygienic place. Once opened, refrigerate between 4 degrees Celsius and 8 degrees Celsius and consume within 2 days. Checking water level and starting machine. Always check that the water bottle is filled to the required level before starting machine for dispensing. Switch on the machine from the back side of the machine. Daily cleaning and sanitization. Disassembly. To ensure the consistency of beverage and cup quality, daily cleaning of machine is essential. Before starting cleaning, switch off the machine. Pull the product guide towards yourself to remove it from the canister. Place the cap on the canister. Carefully lift the canister and pull it towards yourself. Remove the attached pipes to cappuccinator and disassemble it. Next, remove steam trap, the mixing ball, silicone pipe, impeller, whipper base, and the dispensing nozzle stand. Also, remove the steam tray. Remove the bin guide from grinder. Cleaning process. Pre-clean all the parts with water and drain the water. Mix 2 liters of water with 20 milliliters for approved sanitizer in a tray and set aside 500 milliliters for milk module cleaning and spray. Submerge all parts in the remaining solution for 15 minutes and clean it with brush until visibly clean. Spray prepared cleaning solution on the whipper base area. Use cleaning brush to clean the area. Spray clean water on the whipper base area and wipe it with tissue paper. Rinse all parts thoroughly with water and dry completely using a paper tissue. Reassembly. Once all parts are dry, reassemble them in the following order. Steam tray, dispensing nozzle stand, whipper base, impeller, mixing ball assembly, steam trap, silicone tubes. Reassemble the parts of cappuccinator and reconnect it with silicone pipe. Reassemble the bean guide and grinder, canisters and powder guide. Milk module cleaning and sanitization process. Remove the milk tank from the refrigerator. Transfer the milk to clean utensil. To clean the milk container. Rinse the milk tank thoroughly with clean water. Place a container with 500 milliliters of the prepared sanitizing solution inside the refrigerator. Now, let's move to the sanitization procedure. First, switch on the main machine. Press switch number 1 for 4 to 5 seconds and release when you hear the beep. Using switch number 2, scroll until the display reads Sanitize. Press switch number 5 once. The display will show Sanitized. Press switch 5. Press it again to start. The display will now prompt Place solution. Press switch 5. Press switch number 5 to begin the sanitization cycle. After 12 cleaning cycles, the display will prompt Place water. Press switch 5. Drain the solution and fill with potable water after rinse it thoroughly with water. Place the container into the refrigerator and press switch 5 and allow the machine to automatically complete another 12 cycles. When the display reads Sanitization done, press switch number 1 to exit and remove the water container from the refrigerator. Using a dry cloth, wipe the inside of the refrigerator thoroughly. Refill the milk container with fresh milk and place it back in the refrigerator. Now sanitization process is completed. Drip tray and exterior cleaning. Take out the drip tray and the bean waste collection tray from machine. Clean it thoroughly with detergent and reassemble it. After reassembling, wipe exterior of the machine with tissue paper and switch on the machine. After rinsing out, your machine is now ready for use. Dispensing beverages. Select your beverage from the menu. Let's make a cappuccino. Watch as rich coffee and creamy milk foam fill your cup. The perfect cup every time. Always pre-rinse before the first use each day. Troubleshooting guide step by step. Let's go through the most common machine issues and how to fix them step by step. Issue 1. Machine not switching on. If your machine isn't switching on, check if it's plugged in properly and that the main switch is turned on. Issue 2. No beverage dispensed. If the display shows heating, the boiler and steamer haven't reached to the set temperature. Please wait until they are ready. If the problem still persists, please log the complaint for immediate resolution. Issue 3. No delivery or beverage too watery. If beverage is too watery or only water is coming without product, check the product canister fitted properly. Check level in canister and refill if required. Pull the bean hopper slider towards you to open it if it is currently closed. Issue 4. No milk delivery in coffee. If no liquid milk is being dispensed, check that the milk container is filled above minimum level. Check silicone pipe is immersed in milk inside the milk module and other end of pipe is connected to the cappuccinator correctly. Ensure the cappuccinator is clean. Clean it if there is any clogging. Issue 5. Flow meter error E11. If the display shows flow meter error E11 or water refill error, check water level in bottle and if required, replace the bottle and ensure the pump connection is secure, then switches off and switch on the machine. Issue 6. Brewer error E09 and E10. For brewer error E09 and E10, switches off and switch on the machine. If the issue continues, please raise a service request on customer care number. Issue 7. Display shows error E01 or E02. For error E01 or E02, the whipper base and chamber should be opened and cleaned thoroughly to eliminate any obstructions. Once cleaning is complete, ensure that all components are properly fitted, then switch off and switch on the machine. In case of display shows rinse, press the rinse button to initiate the rinsing cycle. After that, machine is ready to use. In case of display shows, please sanitize. Follow the steps described in the cleaning of liquid milk section. Once sanitization is finished, press the rinse button. The machine will then be ready for operation. And that's it. You're now ready to operate and maintain the NESCAFE Amigo machine. If the issue continues, please raise a service request on customer care number. For more details, refer the machine operational manual. NESCAFE Professional, making more possible.